Well, welcome back, everyone. Let's go over the exercise I asked you to do when I asked you to measure incidence rates. Here's the table that I gave you, giving you for each sex, for males separately, for females separately, and for everyone combined, the total amount of person time that was observed in each of those groups and the number of deaths that happened during those follow-up times. So if I asked you to calculate the incidence rates among all participants in this study, remember I had 91,115.59 years of follow-up. And out of that, 1,550 deaths occur. What's the incidence rate? 1,550 deaths divided by the amount of person time. The amount of person time is 91,115.59 person years. It's important to represent or label your result in terms of the time dimension. Because if you measured person months rather than person years, you'd have a different value in this last answer. So that's the incidence rate among all participants. Among men, we can do the same calculation. We observe 843 deaths out of the 38,287.33 person years of follow-up. And for women, it's 707 deaths divided by the 52,828.26 person years again of follow-up. So if you do the calculation and divide each of those numerators by each of those denominators, you'd get the following results. That the incidence rate among men is 2.2 deaths for every 100 person years of follow-up. For women, it's lower. It's 1.34 deaths for every 100 person years of follow-up. For all people put together, men and women together, it's 1.7 deaths for every 100 person years of follow-up. And just like before, notice the incidence rate of death in the entire population, 1.7 deaths for every 100 person years of follow-up, falls in the range, falls between the incidence rate that men have, 2.2, and women have, 1.34 for every 100 person years of follow-up. Again, it's an average. We'll talk more about averages later. See you next time.